Hey guys, Ben with Income Options Trading here on Friday, December 6th. Ended today up 770, so a good way to end the week. I will touch on an update from my stop loss. I got canceled yesterday by not me. So I have an update to that. I'll share that at the end of the video. But first, let's go through my day today. So here's a look at SPX. Pretty much just went sideways all day, which was somewhat unfortunate for me. With the jobs number before the market opened, the VIX went down quite a bit. So when the VIX is down, I do a reverse iron fly. So right at market open, actually 2 minutes in, I bought an iron fly with the longs at 60.85 and then 30 points wide. So the call at 61.15 and the put at 60.55. So I have the top line and bottom line here are the lines for the max profit, and then my break even lines in the center. So ended up right away the market went up, and I was up a couple $100 here. Hindsight, I probably should have closed, but my back test says over the long term, if you let it expire, it's more profitable. The earlier you close it, the less profit it generates over time. So I decided to hang on to it, and unfortunately, the market closed only 5 points above my iron fly. So I opened my iron fly for 15 bucks ish, and it'll close for $5. So about a $10 loss in options speak. So unfortunately, that was a loss portion, but I sold 3 short put spreads here once at 12:30ish, one at 1:30, and one around 2 o'clock. So you can see at 12:30, market dropped shortly after, just bouncing off of my short put strike. And then I opened up another short put spread at 60.75. That short put was at 1:30. And from there, it didn't really test it anywhere near. So I was pretty safe there. And then at around 2 o'clock, I opened up another short put spread with 60.80 at that short put strike. So all those expired worthless. That's where my profit came from today. So good way to end the week. Ending the week up 6K. So that's nothing to scoff about. So happy about that. Update on my stop order that got canceled yesterday. So if you didn't watch the video, essentially I had, I'll go to yesterday's here. I had a short put at the 60.75 strike here, and this large candle, my stop order actually canceled, and it was not me. So I reached out to Tasty, who talked with the market maker, and essentially, as I expected, the option price spiked too much on this drop, so it canceled the order instead of getting filled at a worse price. And I was surprised because I thought the enhanced drill through protection by the CBOE, the way I interpret it when I read the filing is that instead of canceling the order, it'll just hold it, and then it'll adjust the price in the next duration of time. So I thought I was safe from canceled orders. This is the first time it's ever canceled my order. The trade desk said that it could potentially happen again, so just be careful. So it's something to keep in mind with these, especially end of days portions, that you could have a stop that gets canceled instead of filled if you have a sudden price change. And that goes for stop markets and stop limits. So just something to be mindful of. Luckily in this case, Tasty was awesome, and they're giving me a credit. So they're actually giving me a credit of 650, and yesterday I had a negative 500, so that puts me at positive 150 for yesterday. So essentially, I think it was, so I had my stop order was at 40, it spiked to 90 cents, and they're giving me credit for, I think, 65 cents. So really awesome of Tasty to do that. They didn't have to do that. Just, yeah, super awesome customer service. Great to work with. So really happy about that. So that's the stop, and that's my week. So really ended up positive today. Next week, I'll have to look to see what the news events are, but I'll be doing my typical trades next week. Tuesday, I may not be able to trade much. I'll be on site on Tuesday, so I maybe a morning trade, but probably no recap video on Tuesday. But other than that, should do a recap video every day, expecting to trade every day. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks.